In today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can get paid $10 every 20 seconds without having any skills or experience and without having anything to pay up front. It's absolutely free and it is available to everyone from all around the world. The great thing about today's method is that you can easily do this on your laptop or your mobile phone, which means that you can take your job absolutely anywhere. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection with that as well, and you're pretty much good to go. Today's method is super easy, but at the same time, it is incredibly life-changing, which is something that we all love about an opportunity. Now, don't get it mixed up. Our method for today won't exactly make you a millionaire, but it's definitely something that you can get through the hard times, especially when you need it. It can help you sustain and it can help you gain experience and therefore jump into more opportunities when there are any that arise. We are going to be walking you through the whole entire process step by step because we don't want you guys to get lost or confused. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start off today's video, go on ahead to Sprizzy.com and that's going to take you to here. Now, you've probably heard of this website before, but if it is your first time hearing about this website, then you can easily just read this to brief you. It says here that this website will help you make your videos go viral. Our platform is simple and it is easy to use. We put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. Get big results with even the smallest budget. And so that's what this website basically does, or that's what its concept is. It helps small-time YouTubers grow their channels or make their videos go viral or promote their videos more, something like that. Now, what we've been loving the most about this website would be their paid views. As you can see over here, they have a 4.9 rating and over 600 reviews online with some big names as their partners like Honda, House Studio, the Church of Scientology, and Discovery Institute. And this just all goes to show that this website is legit and it is trusted and reliable. And if that's still not enough, if you actually look them up on Trustpilot.com, they have a 4.5 review out of 5, which is very high. They have over 400 people on here as well who left a majority of excellent ratings and reviews, which is above average, which means that this website has really done these people some good. While for those who didn't take a liking to it, it's probably because they haven't watched our video yet, and that's why they aren't coming out with successful results like the rest of you guys who are actually watching today's video. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Don't worry about having to create or film any videos yourself, because today's strategy has nothing to do with that at all. Now moving on, how does Sprizzy really work? Well, number one, tell us who should see your video. Provide keywords that describe your video as well as the names of YouTube channels whose subscribers you'd like targeted. Number two, we get their attention through YouTube ads. We promote your video on YouTube to users searching for keywords and to the fans of similar channels. And number three, get views, subscribers, and real engagement. The viewers targeted in the promotion will naturally find your video interesting and can like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Who's working with Sprizy right now? Here, you'll see all of these established content creators, musicians, artists, and everything in between. You're also going to see, as you scroll lower, all of the different categories that this website caters to. And there are a lot that they cater to, which is awesome. So that's basically the whole website in a nutshell. We just wanted to make you guys understand a bit more how the website works and what it does and has done for other people, so that you guys will later understand how the strategy that we're about to show you is really unique and efficient and will do you and your customers a whole lot of good. Now, you can read more about the website if you want to and scan through all of the pages, but for now, what we shared with you is already pretty good. Now, what we want you to do as per strategy of ours is to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and then click on affiliate program. And that should take you to here. So yes, we are going to be working with this website as an affiliate. The reason for this is because a lot of people out there need Sprizy, but they just don't know it yet. YouTube is actually a very famous platform with over 14 million content creators, and this is the sole reason why we need to promote Sprizy, to help these 14 million content creators and more to boost their videos. Now go ahead and fill up all of the information being asked of you. And once that's all completed, click on sign up. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Once you're all signed up, you can finally grab your affiliate link, and then we can now head on over to our next step, which is to open up Google Docs and just start a new blank document. What you're going to want to do is write about how to start growing a YouTube channel. That guide should include your link, of course, and just like what we're showing you on our screen right now. You can pause this video, open up Google Docs, and copy what we've already made, maybe take a screenshot or whatever. Don't worry though, this is free, so you can just take it and make it as your own. But if you do want something different, you can also just go to google.com and look up how to grow your YouTube channel or something like that, and just open up an article that catches your eye and just copy paste it into your Google Docs, and there's your script. Now you want to go ahead and grab the link of this Google Docs, and to do so, just click on share right here, then make sure that the link is accessible to anyone who has the link. Then go ahead and copy that link, and now we're gonna go over to facebook.com. More specifically, YouTube channel growth Facebook groups, because this is where we're gonna be sharing this Google Docs link, because this is the perfect place to find our potential customers, since all these groups and the people in these groups are people who want to know how they can grow their YouTube channel. So join as many groups as you possibly can, post your Google Docs link as a status on as many groups possible, but make sure that you type in something like, if you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, then click this link, and that link should be the link to your Google Docs that they're going to read through, and then eventually they're going to be clicking on your affiliate link, they're going to be signing up, and you're going to be getting a 20% commission and making money on complete autopilot until the end of time. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.